Harwin Drive is a 5-mile road in southwest Houston, known for its unbeatable deals. Some even call it the city's best-kept shopping secret. But beyond its infamous shopping opportunities, Harwin Drive is also a logistical gem. It's perfectly positioned between three major corridors: the West Park Tollway, the Sam Houston Tollway, and the I-69 Southwest Freeway. This prime location makes getting in and out of the district a breeze, whether you're commuting or shopping. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to get from Harwin Drive to Sugar Land. Starting at the east end of the district, we'll explore how to enter the I-69 HOV express lane. Let's hit the road. First things first, you'll want to make your way over to Harwin Drive. For this video, we're starting on the I-69 Southbound feeder road. Make a right turn onto Harwin Drive. Stay in the right lane and get ready to turn onto 14th Street, also known as Hillcroft Transit Center Drive. Continue straight. At the stop sign, make a left turn onto 14th Street. Stay in the right lane. The entrance to the I-69 HOV/express lane is upcoming. Make a right turn at the entrance. At the top of the ramp, turn right. Congratulations! You have entered the I-69 HOV express lane. Westwood, West Belfort, Meadows Place, Stafford, and Sugar Land are all just minutes away.